Hi everyone, this is Kim. Today I will install the Cisco Wireless LAN controller 9800 on Windows 11. Actually, 4 years ago I did it on the Mac with the Fusion, but the time has passed. Right now Mac runs on the ARM, and because of that it doesn't work on the with the new MacBooks M1 M2. So I tried to install Windows 11 and it worked. So I will share about that. Uh, okay, this is like a topologies. So as you see, there is a switch, and the VLAN 1 is 192.168.1.1. So we will use this network, and the controller is connected. Will be connected on Windows 11 PC, and Windows 11 itself will have 1.5 for the wired IP address, and for WLC it will have two interface. One is 1.7 for this switch connection, and Gigabit 2 will be for the DHCP, and will be connected using Vmware using NAT. Very simple. Okay, let's do it. Let's try it. I will do it from the bottom. So, okay, so we start. First, we will install on the Vmware Workstation. So search the Google and go to the Vmware Workstation players. And go to the bottom, and here you can download it. Oops. Okay, the location is download. Oh, I have already it. So anyway, I will download it, and we have to download the wireless and controller image from the Cisco.com. And here, software.cisco.com, and access download. It's very slow because I live in South Korea. It's far from America. Very slow. Exceptionally slow. Something wrong? Okay. So we can search 98, and for the cloud, then iOS XE. Then there are two versions, so 17.9.4 and 4A. 4A is security bug patched version, and we will download .iso image, .ova. We have to log in to cisco.com. And password. Okay, accept license agreement. Then save. Okay, and when you have time, just to download Notepad++ or the real editor, not Notepad. Okay, and as you see, we did download the Vmware player already. We can run it. The Vmware Workstation Player 17 is free for the non-commercial or such things. So please check the license. There is a timer, so you can see and how long it takes. Alright, preparing to install. Next, accept, and next, but I don't like it. So next, install. Alright, finished. I will click no. Maybe you have to better yes. And the download is finished. I will try it. I'm not sure it will work or not. Alright, so Vmware Workstation 17 to create new virtual machine. And we have ISO file from download. This is new one, but anything. And next. And for directory, folder, but anyway, so I will put on the new directory WLC 17.9.4a. What's wrong? I'm not good at Windows actually. Image files. Sorry. I was next. And Linux 2.6 and kernel 64-bit, and then here WLC 17.94a and browse. Sorry about that. Browse C drive. Where is C drive? C drive and this folder directory. Yep. And I will give the 4 gig and the customized hardware, and I will give 8 gig, so 8192, and CPU is 4. I will give 4 CPU. And then network, I will add one more network. Yes, the first network port will be wired to the connected to the wired port. So it's here. So I put the new USB. So Realtek LAN card, wired LAN card is connected here. And second thing, we'll connect it to using NAT to the VMware. I'm not sure something wrong or not. Anyway, here is NAT. One thing is NAT. One thing is I will change. This one is to the here, and this one is NAT. Okay, finish. All right, so I did set up at the Vmware Workstation for the WLC, but don't click play. So we have to change something. C drive, and here the VMX file is some configuration file for this virtual machine. So we have to edit. Don't use Notepad. This is Notepad++. And here, and this is configuration file, blah 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 blah, and at here, so E1000 is a network adapter, but a type network adapter type, but we have to change VMX Net3. Cisco, so iOS router does recognize on this one. Just save and exit. Okay, and click play. I will start 11 minute and 30 seconds to calculate easily. It takes 6 minutes for the reboot, until reboot. So it takes 6 minutes, just hold on. And I will review about the installation. Okay, but click here. It takes 6 minutes, and here is documentation. Here, after installation, we will do something. Oh, why it doesn't move? Okay. All right, you can see. So actually, I did for this time I did fail on the VirtualBox, and I did success on the Vmware Workstation, and I will not use .onq because Realtek NIC doesn't support. As far as I remember, it doesn't support because I will only the access mode only VM1 this time. And IS file is from the Cisco.com. You have to have the account and some more like privilege, but I don't know about that. But you can get it from your friend or somewhere. And VMware Workstation configuration is this one. So 2.6, the Linux 64-bit and 8 megabps. No. 8 megabyte memory and 4 gigabyte storage and 4 GB CPU, and add one more NIC. And one is for the wired connection, one is between Windows PC using this CP. And you have to change, this is old image, you have to change VMX file to E1000 into VMX Net3 Don't use Notepad. Use Windows Plus, Notepad Plus Plus, or other real editor, not Notepad, please. And after installation, we will do some very basic config for the web connection and telnet. This is host name, and as my habit is, I always put the no IP domain lookup, because when I mistyped, I want to spend some time, and this is for the username password, and I usually use VT04 and input or and this is maybe G2. G2 will be DHCP, or not Fusion, DHCP, and it will get the IP address and write, and then very basic configuration for the connection, and finally I will use this one. I will explain that later. All right. Here. It takes 6 minutes, so we start 11:30, so it will take 17:30, and then it will reboot. Rebooting takes about more than 2 minutes. Just hold on, just please wait, and take a tea or a coffee or a cigarette or anything, or whiskey. Wow, it takes 7 minutes. Soon it will reboot it. Alright, rebooting, and after reboot, it take 2 minutes. More than 2 minutes actually. Alright, the pudding is almost done. No. Put any password and click in number 0. So without saving configuration. And it will take more time. There will be some log, and I wanna get mixed. I don't wanna get mixed, so I will wait a little more. Alright, done. If I click something, there will be more. Oh. It's my habit. I always put the host name with model and version for my lab. No IP domain lookup is also important. And username, username Cisco privilege 15 and password Cisco. Enable password also Cisco. And line VTI 04 password Cisco for telnet transport input all. Okay, and I will get what kind of interface is there. So we have a gigabit 1 and gigabit 2. I will use gigabit 2 for the connection between Vmware. So sorry, there are many things. This is no switch port and also something wrong is over there also, but I forgot. Anyway, no switch port. It looks like a switch. I think default value is switch. Then IP address JCP. Then let's see what is happening. Oh, sorry. And this time gigabit 1 is connected to the to the Vmware. As you see, this one 192.168.104.138 is for the VMware connection for the Windows 10, and 192.108.1.105 is VLAN 1 connection. So I'll remove the second one. Sorry about that, but it's not a big issue. All right, and right now I can connect this using this IP address, so I will do that. All right. What's wrong? Sorry, not 104, 184. All right, and click advanced, and then proceed. Then you can log in. As the first login, we will set up very basic things. And because I live in Korea, I will add Korea domain. KE and gigabit 2 will be another interface. It will have 7 from the topologies, and then next, and don't do that anything here, and here turn off certification. So I don't know this bug is fixed or not, but when the 9800 was released at the first time, there was many bugs, and also this is the workaround for the another bug. And summary and finish, yes, and there will be blah 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 many things. Also, there is a traceback. Some looks like some issues, but actually no problem. And then finally, we have to do this configuration. This one. So I will do that. Wireless and config VW is blah blah key size and blah blah, and this is related, I think, the certification between WLC and the AP. Just I will put Cisco, enter. It will generate blah 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 many things. And you can check this command. Wireless measurement trust point. Alright. It will soon, it will soon, I think. So this is just part 1 of installation of WLC, and next time I will do some very basic configuration of WLC and also we will connect Cisco AP to the controller. Then we will deploy, I will deploy using central mode and the flex mode and QoS, such a things. Actually, it's not that difficult. Just to do it. Just do it and you can find a way. Okay, thank you. This is Kim. See you again next time. Bye bye.